Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back to my channel. I'm HDSIGNATURES. How you guys doing? Compliment of the season, guys. I'm really excited. Like, I love Christmas season. So guys, I'm going to be creating a wearable makeup look, a soft glam holiday makeup look for you guys. Let's jump right into this tutorial. So guys, I'm actually wearing a contact lenses. If you want to look really classy and you want to take your makeup or your look a notch, I would advise you wear contact lens. But if you are someone that cannot deal with it, you have never tried it and you are scared, please don't wear it. It's optional. So guys, I'm going to show you guys how to achieve a really nice beginner friendly soft glam holiday makeup look for every one of you. Why I said beginner friendly soft glam holiday makeup look is I want to try as much as possible to make this makeup look as beginner friendly as possible, so that whosoever come across this makeup look and really want to, I liked it and really want to, recreate it, it's going to be so easy for that person to recreate. That's why I'm going to be making it beginner friendly, guys. So without further ado, guys, let's jump right into this tutorial. So apply a moisturizer, and you can just apply any moisturizer that works for your type of skin. Regardless of what skin type you have, you always want to make sure you use a moisturizer. Very important. So I'm going to give this moisturizer a little bit of time to set into my skin. I'm going to put this here. I'm going to put my forehead area. And I'm going to be going ahead to use makeup seal. I'll be using this. After that, guys, I'm going to be going ahead to apply Melanin Foundation Golden Tan, and I'm going to be mixing this with. I'm just using little of this product because I don't really want a total coverage. I just want something sheer, but still, to an extent, will give me like a very nice coverage. I'm going to be mixing it with Ruby Kisses No More Blemish Foundation in 15 Glam. I'm going to be going ahead to pick from my lipstick palette as my blush. So I'm going to place it in the highest part of my cheekbone. So don't worry, guys, if it's looking too much. The thing with creamy products is you can easily share them out. If I'm using a matte lipstick, I'm not going to be using this much, but because it's a sheer cream lipstick, it's going to really blend out well without looking. So these places I'm applying this blush are just where I like to apply mine. It flatters my skin, it flatters my face. You don't necessarily have to do yours this way, but this is what I like to do. So I like to bring it inside a bit, then blend it out. And I'm going to take this part I use in blending my foundation on my beauty blenders. I'm just going to go over it and use that to blend it into my skin. See how beautiful this looks, guys. Trust me, it doesn't look so much if you apply it nicely. So guys, this is it. So for my under eye highlights, I'm just going to basically use a foundation. I'm using a foundation and I'm using Maybelline Super Stay, and I'm also going to be using MAC Match Master Foundation. This is quite light, like a lot lighter. If I want to use this alone, maybe I'm going for like extremely glam look, But for the purpose of this look that is beginner friendly, and we want it to look really soft, and also apart from wearing for holiday season, this you could do this makeup also for your everyday makeup look if you have that time. When you look good, you feel good, guys. So that is what I'm trying to, that is the point I'm trying to drive at. So I'm going to be using this. If I use this alone, it still looks really nice, but it's not going to give me that really brightness that I want. So you can go ahead and use just one shade of concealer that's lighter than you. It will still look really nice. So I'm going to just mix a little bit of these two shades together. Just little. See? That much. Yeah. See? Nothing serious. If you want to blend out your under eye, instead of going down and like fighting with it, you can just look up this way. I'm sorry if I'm blocking you guys. So you can just look up this way, and that way your under eye will be stretched out a lot. So see, this is how I like to place my under eye highlight. I like to go as close as possible to the lash line area. So I'm going to go ahead and pick the setting powder. So what I'm doing is, I'm not baking, I'm setting it. Baking is different from setting. I'm setting it, to cancel out that shiny and that creamy product under my eyes. I'm going to go to the side of my mouth. So guys, my brows are done. So you can use a foundation that is mattifying as an eyeshadow primer. I'm going to blend that to blend it, just to mute out. Because I'm going to be doing something basic, I'm going to be going ahead to use a contour palette, and this is from Classic. So I'm using that to, I'm going to be using these two shades. So if need be, I'll go into this one, but I haven't used this. I'll go into this and this one. This is a lot deeper than my skin color. So I'm going to bring that to the bridge of my nose, and I'm going to take it to my brow head, just to give it a uniformity. I'm going to connect it down to bridge of my nose. That's the side. So this is how I basically contour my nose. So I bring it to the side of my nose and push it in. I'm not trying to blend or swipe, so I don't clean off the brows. So I'm going to go into the deeper shade. I'm going into the deeper shade, and I'm placing that somewhere around here. So for the inner part of my eyes, I'm just going to be taking a lighter shade of powder. So I'm going to go ahead and line my eyes. When I get to this part, I'm just going to take it off. Oh, Jesus Christ. So guys, I'm going to go ahead and do my lip, and I'm using this Zara lip stain in Once. Okay guys, so I'm going to go ahead and take this mascara off. So I'm going to use my... Oh, Jesus Christ. So guys, while this mascara is drying, I'm just going to go ahead and do the rest of the makeup. So guys, this is the finished look. Whew. So guys, this is the finished look. I hope you guys learned something from this look, and I hope you guys liked it. Let me know what you guys think about this look down in the comment section. I enjoy creating this look for you guys. Let me know what you guys think about this holiday glam beginner friendly makeup look down in the comment section. If you're just watching my video for the first time, please don't forget to subscribe. Don't forget to turn on the notification bell. I'll see you guys in my next one. Happy holiday, guys. Bye.